In this watercolor tutorial, I'll walk you through painting a dramatic Swiss Alps landscape using warm and cool contrast to build depth, light, and atmosphere in the mountains. This is a painting I started in my Watercolor Again class yesterday at Tacoma Art Center in Raleigh, and it's a mountain scene. I'm trying to use 3 or 4 different colors. I'm doing a lot of warm versus cool, and where the sunlight's coming from this direction, I'm doing the rocks a little bit warmer, and then on the shadow side, I'm making it a little bit cooler. And as it gets closer to us, they're going to get progressively, if I could speak English here, progressively darker. And right now, I'm going to do time-lapse video. I'm going to finish this painting, hopefully. For starters, I'm going to go into here and I'm going to start working on some of the trees and the rocks in the background. And one of the hardest things about it, especially when you're working with nature, is you just don't want to create patterns too much. Try not to keep all the shapes the exact same. Try not to keep things equally 2 inches apart. Make it different, because that's how rocks and that's how trees look in wildlife. I'm going back and forth now between shadow areas, trees, the shadows on the snow, just back and forth. Sometimes I'll put down some color, warm versus cool. I'm going to feather some of these edges, go back and just hit it with water and you get some softer edges. I am working basically wet on dry right now, so it's wet color on dry paper. And section by section, so I'm not sticking my hand into wet paint, which I'm notorious for doing, especially when I'm doing live classes. And in the background, I'm working on making it a little bit cooler into the background, and then as it gets a little bit closer to us, I'll throw in some of the warmer colors. Always changing that color temperature up. I don't want to keep it the exact same the entire time, because frankly, that's just boring. So mix it up quite a bit. Don't just do straight cobalt blue across everything. Put a little bit of this into it, a little bit of that into it. It's like I cook, which is why nobody likes my cooking, because that doesn't work when you're cooking. And don't even talk to me about baking, because we're not going to get into that. And then as things get closer to you and want to have them a little bit darker, more contrast, but you can see I'm starting to work on some of those rocks and on the right-hand side and in the foreground area. So they're going to be darker, more contrast. This intermediate watercolor lesson breaks the scene down section by section, demonstrating layering techniques, controlled washes, and strategic warm-cool color shifts to create convincing snow, distant peaks, and atmospheric perspective in an alpine landscape. If you enjoyed this content, please hit subscribe. If you're interested in all the materials used in this painting, check out the YouTube description below. Thank you for watching, and happy painting.